Turned on the drone, and now we calibrate the drone by pressing the right side, bottom right side. We wait for the red light to go straight. Wait a second. Okay, automatic takeoff. First automatic, no, the other side, the other one, this one. Automatic takeoff. This is what happened. That's it, stop it. Can you turn it off? That's it. As you can see, it goes to only one side. The right side goes up and the other side doesn't push enough. That's the problem. When it is calibrated according to the light. That's it.